Hello everyone, I am Rafiq and welcome to 1 Million Hacker. Today we are going to create an IPsec tunnel between Sophos UTM and Zscaler. So let's get started. So for this one, I have created 3 steps for Zscaler and 3 steps for Sophos UTM. So the first step in Zscaler is we need to add the static IP address. This IP address is our gateway IP address, which we get from our ISP. So let's add the static IP here first. So we just need to add the static IP and we can click on next, and then save. So the second step is we need to add the VPN credential. Again, we need to navigate to administration and VPN credential. Here we have the option to add VPN credential. Here I have used the authentication type as an IP, and I selected the static IP that I have created, and here the pre-shared key. This is like the password. Later we are going to use the same pre-shared key in the Sophos UTM. So after adding this one VPN credential, we need to navigate to administration and location management. Here we can add the location. We can add the name, country, time zone. So this is the main thing that we need to add in the location, which is the static IP, the one that we created, and the VPN credential profile that we have created just now. Once we save this one, we are done with this. We just need to activate this one. That's it from the Zscaler side. Now let's move to the Sophos UTM. In the Sophos UTM, we can go to the IPsec and policy. Here I'm going to use this parameter as this is supported by the Zscaler side, as we can verify this one. In this KB, I'm currently using the IK version 1, and these are the supported parameters that is supported by the Zscaler end. So we are going to use this same parameter on the Sophos UTM side. And on the second step on the Sophos UTM is we need to add the remote gateway. Here I have used the Chennai data center because my IP is near to Chennai data center. I have used this one. This one we can find in the IP dot in the config.zscaler.com page, and here we need to select the cloud that we are using. Currently I'm using the zscaler2.net. So this is a column for the IPsec gateway that we have used here. So currently I have used Chennai one. Yeah. So I have used the fully qualified domain name because like we can add the IP also, but in future if it get changed, then it will create an issue. So I have used the FQDEN here, and the authentication type, the pre-shared key that we have used on the Zscaler side, the same key we need to enter here. And here the remote network, I have added any because I have to allow all my LAN network to go via Zscaler IPsec tunnel. So that is why I have used any here. And the third step is we need to create the IPsec connection, where just now we have created the remote gateway. We need to select that one, and we can select the policy that we created. And this is the local network that I need to use the IPsec tunnel. that we are going to use in the IPsec tunnel. So that's it on the UTM side. Now we will test whether it is working or not. Before that, we will see whether the tunnel is up. Yeah, we can see here the tunnel is up, and these are the IPsec parameter that we are going to use. Now let's have a test. So currently I have a lab setup where I have installed the Sophos UTM VM and Windows Server. In the Sophos UTM VM, we can see I have added the 3 interface, 1 for the WAN and 2 for the LAN. This VM net level, I have used the same VM net in the Windows Server, so that it will create an bridge, and all the traffic from the Windows Server, it will transfer to the Sophos UTM, and from the Sophos UTM LAN network, it will go via the IPsec tunnel. So let's open the Windows Server here. Also, we can see here. We can see here we have used the same VM net. And let's see Zscaler. So currently the Zscaler is turned off. And to confirm whether this traffic is going via IPsec or not, we can type ip.zscaler.com. And here we can see it is connected to the same data center that we have used in the IPsec. So that's it, guys, for this session.